Why do we let someone's words ruin our day, our peace, and sometimes our entire sense of self-worth? Isn't it strange how a single comment, a careless remark, or a harsh tone can leave us shattered, sleepless, and doubting our own value? One person moves their tongue, and suddenly we're drowning in pain. Think about that for a moment. Is that really how strong you believe you are? You're not that weak. You are not so fragile that someone else's opinion should define your happiness or dictate your worth. Life is too precious to let another person's actions, or worse, their words, take away your peace. Because here's the truth: no one else is responsible for your life. No one else will care for your dreams, your mental health, your happiness as much as you can. The more we hand over that power to someone else, the more we set ourselves up for disappointment. Your confidence, your sense of stability, should never depend on whether someone stays or leaves. If they walk away, let them go, not for their sake, but for yours. Because you still have your life, your goals, your purpose. And no one else will live this life for you. No one else will fight your battles, chase your dreams, or heal your wounds the way you can. The moment you realize this, you stop begging for attention or waiting for validation. You stop letting every little thing shake your soul. When you hand over your happiness to someone else, you lose control. It's like giving someone the keys to your house and expecting them to take care of it better than you. They won't. They're not supposed to. It's not their job. The same is true for your life. It was given to you. It belongs to you. You are responsible for it. And you are fully capable of taking care of it. So, the next time someone tries to break you with words or walks away like you don't matter, remind yourself, I am stronger than this moment. Their actions don't define your worth. Their departure doesn't diminish your value. If anything, it's proof that the people who truly deserve a place in your life will stay, and the rest were never meant to hold that space. Your life is yours. Your peace is yours. Your happiness is yours. Stop giving anyone else the power to control it. Because the truth is, you don't need anyone else to make you whole. You were complete the day you were born. The only approval you truly need is your own. So, ask yourself, will I let someone else's words break me, or will I rise above and own my life? Be prosperous and share happiness.